Notice to mariners, navigation alert. See the 3 bridges to the west? 65-foot US Highway 1, the Train Bridge, and the Roosevelt Bridge. And when you're westbound in the Okeechobee, pay attention to that green marker right there. If you do not honor that marker, you'll run aground like this boat did. So we're going as slow as possible because that guy is hard aground and probably waiting on Sea-Tow or Towboat US to come get him. There's no anchor deployed. See, there's no anchor because his propellers are stuck in the sand. This is 23 Alpha, so anybody coming through the St. Lucie River, Roosevelt Bridge, and the Okeechobee Waterway around mile number 8, be aware. I shouldn't have to warn you about it because it's on the chart. So if you run aground, hopefully you've got Towboat or Sea-Tow supplemental towing insurance. They can come tow you off easily. So once again, watch where you're going. I'll show you the problems people have. They want to go that way through the bridge like he did, except you need to honor that green marker over there. Now you ask, why is he pointed to the east? The answer is the current is ebbing. The current is falling out. The current is going back to the ocean. So the only thing that's holding that boat in place are his propellers, and the current spun him around in this direction. So we'll watch and see if a yellow boat or a red boat are coming to his rescue, Sea-Tow or Towboat US. In the meantime, if you want to learn more about cruising, attend our 2-day Cruising 101 Fundamentals class in Vero Beach, Florida. Ask Captain Chris.